Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the Marshmallow Pickaxe in Fortnite. Let's get right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out has been going to a guy named Brookie_Games. He seems to be a gaming channel. He has 10 subscribers and he uploads Fortnite content. So guys, make sure to head over to this guy's channel and subscribe to him, show him some support, and tell him I sent you. And now let's get into the video. Okay guys, this is going to be a very quick tutorial. It's very simple. So in order to do this, it's basically you land at the first location, which is at Salty Springs, and then after that you go to 3 other locations, which I'll show you in the video. So now, further ado, I'll show you the locations on screen. I'll probably I'll probably speed it up just so it doesn't take forever. So now let's get into it.